Good morning students. Today I am going to teach 10th math second chapter triangles. So today we are going to study a new chapter, that is triangle. So in this chapter we will be studying similar triangles related to their theorems and all. So till now we have studied congruent. In the previous year we have studied congruent triangles. Here there are similar figures, similar triangles you will be studying. So whether these congruent and similar triangles are same or different. Let us see whether it is same or different. So what congruent means? If two figures having the same shape and same size are called congruent figures. So it will be having same shape and same size. For example, if you take two triangles, okay, 3 centimeter triangle will take, okay. So you see what they said, having same shape. So same shape, right? Both are triangles only, and the same size. So size also same. So these two we can say that it is congruent triangles. Okay. Then if two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Same shape but not necessarily the same size. So similar triangles means it will be having same shape but not the same size. For example, this and this. This is 2 centimeter circle and this is 3 centimeter circle. See, they are having same shape, right? Both are circle itself, right? Both are circle, but the size is same. No, this is 2 centimeter radius, this is 3 centimeter radius circle. So this is not, size is not same but shape are same. So this type is called similar triangle, similar figures. Similar figures. So are they congruent? No. For it to become it is congruent, it should be same size. So let us take some other examples. So if you have one triangle and a circle, so whether these are similar? No, right? Different shapes. One is triangle, one is circle. Let us take squares. Next example. Square means all sides are equal. This is 3 centimeter square. This is 4 centimeter square. Whether these are similar? Yes, right? Because same size. Same shape. Right? Both are square itself. So same shape but size are different. 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. This is similar. What about congruent? Whether it is congruent? No, right? Not congruent. Because they are having same shape but size are not equal. So congruent means you will be having same shape and same measurement, same size, and in similar you will be having same shape and size need not be same. Next, similar triangle. So what do you mean by similar triangle? It is defined as two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. So two triangles will take two triangles A, B, C and P, Q, R. These two triangles are said to be similar when if their corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angle means this angle and this angle. So angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Angle C is equals to angle R. So corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. Means if you take these sides in ratio form, it should be proportion. So AB by PQ, it is written as AB by PQ is equals to, see this part, AB by PQ. Corresponding, these are said corresponding sides, right? See, this and these are corresponding angles, this and this. and this and this. Same way corresponding sides are which? AB, PQ. Then BC, QR. Then AC, PR. Same way. So corresponding sides are in proportion. So AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. So BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. AC by PR. So when you take the sides in ratio form, it should be equal. Or so their corresponding sides are in proportion. If you have these two conditions, then we can say that two triangles are similar. So the basic difference between similar triangle and congruent triangle is that in congruent triangle all angles and all sides will be equal, but in similar triangle all angles will be equal, but their corresponding sides are in proportion. Understood? Congruent means all angles and sides are equal. Similar, their corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are in proportion. We can also see that all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent, right? So if we take example of this congruent triangles, 3 centimeter, these are congruent triangle because same shape and same size. What about similar? Similar, you should be having same shape, need not be same size, so shape is same. So all congruent figures are similar, but similar figures need not be congruent, right? See, you can say this and this also similar, right? This is 3 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. We can say this is similar because same shape, but measurement is different. This cannot be congruent. So that is said, all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. So that's all with the introduction. So in the next video I'll be teaching theorems. Take down some homework problems. All circles are dash, congruent or similar. You have to pick it and write. All squares are dash, all squares, right? Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. Fourth one, whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. You have to mention whether these two figure is similar or not. There is a two figure. This is 1.5 centimeter and here 3 centimeter. All sides are 3 centimeter. So you have to say whether it is similar or not. So do this homework in your homework book. Thank you.